Magandang araw mga kabilyar. Nakapag-register na ba kayo dito sa ating MAPA Sali? MAPA, Standardized Amateur Leveling Integrator. Type nyo lang mapa-sali.com. Madali lang. Live na ang ating web-based app at kasama dyan ay ang pag-usbong ng mga meaningful interaction sa mga stakeholders. Sabi nga ng kasabihan, nothing worth doing comes easy. Ngayon, may 5 punto lang kami na gustong iparating. Number 1, this system that we are trying to mold into a universal reference for amateur player ratings is not written in stone. Live document ito na nagbabago dahil ang skills natin ay nagbabago. So we are counting on stakeholders and admins of groups that are already on board to be diligent in updating their players. So police your own, ha. Number 2, sa mga billiard halls, clubs, and organizations na hindi pa on board, please do reach out to us via our FB page of MAPA Sali or kami na din ang lalapit sa inyo balang araw. Dahil may mga proud members kayo na nag-register pero hindi pa kayo officially on board sa integrator natin. So yung inyong organization walang logo. Palakasin natin ito, atin to. Number 3, sa mga amateur players naman, please check if you're already preloaded into the system. Lalo na yung mga active MAPA members. Pag may gusto kayong idagdag o baguhin, please message us through the FB Messenger or doon sa FB ng MAPA Sali. I-update natin ang inyong member details. Sa mga bago naman na wala pang rating, apply through the new member app. Dito, no? New member sign-up form. And click on the no player rating button and signify your intent to be screened during our WTA days. Dito yan. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. No? Tapos may month F bonus tayo. Basahin nyo na lang sa page kung anong ibig sabihin yan. So dito ang screening days natin. Lastly, number 5, if your group is new and you would like to align, Lastly, if your group is new and would like to align your levels to our system, please message us also. Pag-usapan po natin yan. Tandaan, kung gusto nyong gumaling, simulan sa tamang rating. Maraming salamat.